redeem lifestyle gift card online. So if you want to redeem the lifestyle gift card online, then what you need to do is first open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And after that, go with the search and search for redeem lifestyle gift card. And go with the first option, which is lifestyle gift card, where you'll have the redeem option. And make sure to log into your lifestyle account. And once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with the redeem gift card option, which will be on the upper side. And then you need to enter the voucher reference number. And once you enter that, you need to enter your email address for an account you've registered previously or a new email address if you've not registered. So once you go with redeem gift cards, you just need to simply enter your gift card voucher number or the voucher, and after that you will be able to redeem. So that's how you can redeem your lifestyle gift card. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.